Hi everyone, here we've got HOMTOM S9 Plus and let me share with you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and as you can see at the very bottom of the general settings, we've got the suggestions, and actually your device suggests you to add the screen lock. And actually, if you for some reason do not have those suggestions, no worries, we will just do it manually. So we have to scroll down to the fingerprint, to the personal section actually, and on the third position we've got the fingerprint, so simply tap on it. Right now we've got the info that you will be able to unlock your device with the fingerprint, so just tap on continue, and here we've got the very first step of adding the fingerprint, and here we have to add an additional screen lock. You can choose the pattern pin or password, and obviously, if you've got one currently set, no worries, you will be just transferred to another step. If not, you have to do it right now because it is very important. If for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device. So just tap on the option like to choose, and I will pick the pattern, so let me tap on it. Here we have to draw it, tap on continue, redraw it and confirm. And here we've got the notifications section, so here we can decide what we want to show on the lock screen, so we can show all the notification content, hide sensitive content, or don't show notifications at all. And I will pick, for example, this option. All you have to do is simply make sure that the option you'd like to set is marked and tap on done. So right now we have to find the sensor, and the sensor is located on the bottom of the phone on this physical button. So let's tap on next. And here we have to put the finger on the sensor, so I'll use my index finger, and as you can see right now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every corner for better recognition. Okay, and as you can see, we just successfully added our fingerprint. If you want to, you can add another. If not, just tap on done. And I hope that we will be able to find some fingerprint settings, and after tapping on the fingerprint and entering the pattern you just set, pattern pin or password, then you are able to enter the fingerprint settings. So here we've got the fingerprint we just added. We can tap on it and rename it if we want to, so I will do it. What's more, we can delete it right there. Here we can also add another fingerprint, and here we've got the option fingerprint control, so let's tap on it, and here you can decide for what you want to use the fingerprint for. So you can view albums, music control, video control and desktop slide. So it's really up to you which option you'd like to use, which option you'd like to set. I will leave it like this. So let's check if it is working. Let me get back to the home page, and let's lock the device, and let me put my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, here we've got the info that the first use fingerprint need to unlock the pattern. So let me do it, and let's try to lock it again and put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, so it means that we just successfully added our fingerprint to it. What's more, you could see that we are also able to unlock our device with the pattern, so in case that the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock it. So actually that's all. This is how to successfully add a fingerprint to your HOMTOM S9 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.